Okay, hey folks, Bob here. I'm making another video here about a project that I did with our bird feeder, and I've been wanting to make this video for a while, but as you can see, I'm out in my front yard, and I don't know, shy about whatever. I'm weird. I don't make a lot of videos, so I'm not used to making them and feeling comfortable. But anyway, most everybody's gone in the neighborhood, so I don't have to worry too much. But anyway, we had this bird fountain forever, and we were going to get rid of it and get a fountain water feature. And I had this idea that, I don't know, I figured I would just start it out, and if it just didn't seem to be going well, I would bail on it. But pretty much every step went pretty smooth. I started out by drilling a hole in the middle, and then I had to drill a hole in the top of the base, and this is hollow inside. So I mean, this is all concrete, so I had to use a masonry bit. So I didn't know how that was going to go in the first place, but it went smooth. Ordered a fountain pump with the correct tubing size, and I ordered this nozzle set. And then when I do the night pictures, you'll see what it looks like at night. I usually take this piece off. So it more or less bubbles up, because there's an LED ring in here, as you'll see in the pictures that I took, and you'll see it at night too. But this reflects the water nicely, the light. One thing though, with this mushroom attachment on, it spreads the water more evenly, so it drips kind of better. But as far as the lighting, it looks better at night with this way. But during the day, this one looks good. You can raise it up. You can adjust the diameter. Okay, so anyway, I got the pump, the tubing, it all goes up through the center and in here. And then when I drilled the hole, or when I fed the tube up, I had to put silicone caulking around it, because I didn't want any of the water to drain. I want it to all go over the sides. And for the rocks, because there's rocks, and I'll show you what that looks like down in here. And I bought this. This is like a lens for a fluorescent lighting fixture, like in an office. I used half of it, so it's like 4 feet long. And basically, what it is it's just like a plasticky grate, and I cut it with my jigsaw. And I cut it in a circle, and then I cut it in half and made 2 halves. And it's sitting down in here. There's a rock, and then if you reach down in here, you can see underneath these rocks is the grate down there. You can see it. I bought this, the wire mesh at first, and it did not hold the weight that well. So it started to sag, and because this was an ongoing process, and I had to take it apart several times, and it didn't last. So I went online, I was searching, and I came across people that had used the plastic grate that I showed. I got it at Home Depot or Lowe's, I can't remember. I think it was Home Depot. I don't know. It might not have been Lowe's, but they both have it. So that's one thing. If you could see it, it's when the wind picks up a little bit, it demolishes the pattern. So that's another good thing about having the just the spout part is it's good for the wind. So anyway, and another thing that I did was, I mean, this is one of those projects where, I mean, it was like kind of like the whole time I was making progress with it, there was kind of more things I started thinking of to do, and it kind of got obsessive, so, but in a good way. I mean, you know, I added a light. I had one light down there first, and then I added another one, and it wasn't dripping that great, like in a uniform way, even though it was fairly level. And because there's a lot of imperfections in this kind of, I mean, it's not totally smooth all the way around, so you're not going to get it, but basically I had an idea, because where it would tend to curl up underneath and adhere to the underside. So I had this idea to add some like a bead of caulk all the way around the edge, so it would drip down more evenly, and I think it's doing pretty good. Like I said, when you have the other attachment on, it's much more spread out evenly, but it's not bad, and at night it looks really cool. These are different multicolored lights. I also painted it. Why I went ahead and did it, I bought a can of that like chrome paint, and I painted up underneath. I don't know how well this is going to come out, but I don't really want to grab the camera with my other hand because it's wet. But anyway, and I've been just adding pool water. The water, it's very warm now here in South Florida, and this water is evaporating very quickly, and it's also splashing out. I've been filling this up further at night because I noticed that when I do that, it's more like a pool, and like the water tends to, you know, reflect like all like up on the wall. I also have a colored light back behind that. That's my other fountain. I have it off now just because it's kind of loud and it would be hard to hear me. So anyway, this is my fountain project. I'll take some more video at night, but I'm not going to talk when I'm doing that. Like, no one's home right now, so I feel comfortable talking out here and doing this. But the video I shoot at night, also take some pictures at night. It really looks awesome. I mean, I don't know. I think it looks pretty cool. And it's, I gotta say too, my wife, I don't know, thanks for encouraging me through this whole project, because I think when we first started talking about it, I think we had started looking at fountains, and she was like, yeah, we both were kind of like, yeah, but then, I don't know, I just had this crazy idea to do this, and she was honest with me, and she thought it looked cool too, so she was like really supportive, so that was awesome. Such a good wife. Anyway, I guess I've done enough chatting here. Here's my landscaping. It's modest. Anyway. Alright, thanks for watching. I know I go on and on. People have made comments about how I go on and on, but I don't make videos every day. So every video that I've ever shot, what you see is what you get. That's the first take. I'm still rolling from the beginning on this, so this is it. I'm not going back and doing another take. I just like to start talking. Whatever comes out, comes out. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a great day.